Hey, good afternoon. This is Jim Boyd with Big Metal Buildings, here to solve your metal building problems. And today we got a customer who's got a leak between two buildings where the rake of one building comes into the sidewall of another building. And not to our surprise, what do we find when we come up here but that there's been prior contractors that have come up here and put on this elastic coating, and lo and behold, the coating has failed. The rake trim is revealed, and guess what we find? No screws and no seal tape. That's a recipe for a leak. One of the problems we have here is that this is a big sidewall, and you've got these downspouts and gutters, but guess what? You've got a lot of water coming down the face of this wall, and ultimately it's catching inside this elastomeric coating job on this rake trim, and it's no surprise that water is getting trapped and it's leaking down this end wall of the building. So we're going to have some recommendations for the customer to go ahead and pull this up, provide a new rake trim with an adequate seal tape and fasteners, and we'll get them fixed up. When you got metal building problems, it's really important that you get somebody out that understands how metal buildings work and how they're supposed to drip and flash and shed water off the buildings. We never recommend coatings for a building, because all that does is ultimately hide another problem. We're going to take care of this customer and get them back dry, but when you need help on your metal building and you're looking for solutions, give us a call. Big Metal Buildings, serving Southeast Texas. Have a great day.